CJP or BJP?
Any day, Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi is not an option.
Then CJ, BJP.
BJP or CJP?
CJP anytime.
CJP or Congress?
Congress.
Rahul Gandhi or Modi?
Rahul Gandhi.
On ground protest or social media activism?
On ground. Any day.
Okay. Memes or protest?
Memes.
What did you like more in the CJP protest? The protest or the memes?
Any day protest.
One reel or one song, a reel idea or a song that comes to your mind when we take the word Azadi.
One song in specific, Jago by Lifafa, it was really popular recently, so I think probably that. It has that essence.
During 26 January, this reel was going viral like हट जाओ बहुत जोर से 26 January आ रही है. So you know like
15th August आया है.
it's the same thing, you know, like how we may not act very, you know, nationalist or patriotic throughout the year, but when the time comes, you're like, oh my God, I will die for my country.
The reel should be something like when the professor says there's a test tomorrow and I'm like, Desh Rangila, Rangila, and then we go on a break.
CJP or BJP?
CJP.
Why CJP?
मैम एक रेवोल्यूशन है, एक नई चीज़ देखने को मिले और जब हमें नई चीज़ जेंजी का ज़माना है और नई चीज़ देखने को मिले तो उत्सुकता तो होती है.
On ground protest or social media activism?
सोशल मीडिया एक्टिविज्म विल बी नाइस क्योंकि आजकल पूरा यूथ तो सोशल मीडिया पे ही है.
सोशल मीडिया से बात बन जाएगी.
आई थिंक सो क्योंकि सीजेपी के 20 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स थे. अब रिजर्वेशन हटाओ आंदोलन के भी 5 मिलियन प्लस फॉलोअर्स हैं, तो आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया तो बहुत ज़्यादा रोल प्ले कर रहा है यूथ की लाइफ में.
What is being patriotic to you? Instagram story or some real action on the ground?
I feel with this current scenario, both the things are equally valuable because even on Instagram you are being like I personally feel news channels, the mainstream media, I do not copy that, but yeah, with Instagram I get to know many things.
CJP or BJP?
It's a political question. It would be about youth and the politicians and the country and the democracy. It's not about CJP or BJP.
You talked about the CJP protest. So CJP or BJP?
Nationalist.
जैसे अभी प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था तो मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जैसे बच्चों में इतने वो हुए लीक्स हुए पेपर, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि अभी जब जो ये हमारा शिक्षा मंत्री बने वो अभी बच्चों के लिए और ज़्यादा ध्यान दें और हमारा जो आगे का फ्यूचर है वो बहुत सिक्योर हो.
मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि जैसे लड़कियाँ शॉर्ट्स वगैरह पहनती है तो उसको लड़के कमेंट्स वगैरह पास करते हैं. मैं चाहती हूँ ऐसा हो कि लड़कियाँ खुद अपने लिए लड़ाई लड़े और अपने लिए एक स्टैंड ले.
What do you think about freedom in India?
Freedom is a very good thing. In the 1947, many of our freedom fighters fought to achieve independence for this country. I am proud of my India and I respect my India. For the upcoming generation, I just want India to be as advanced as the other countries like USA and all. But India is upgrading day by day, so I just want it to become more cleaner and make the citizens of India responsible for their actions.
एक मैसेज अगर आप अभी के पॉलिटिशियंस को देना चाहेंगे, छोटा सा मैसेज.
डोंट बिलीव कि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता. लोग वोट देते हैं तो आँख बंद करके वोट देते हैं. लोगों में समझ है, चाहे वो पढ़े लिखे हो चाहे ना हो, और नो वन इज़ इनविंसिबल.
मोदी जी को क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
कि दे आर डूइंग ग्रेट. आई रियली लव हिम. यू नो, आप मेरे को अंधा मत बोलो या कुछ बोलो. आई जस्ट लव यू फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट.
तो आप अपने आप को मोदी पगलू समझते हो?
या एग्जैक्टली. आई एम वेरी वेरी मच मोदी पगलू.
You know how the word baddie is very prevalent? I know I've heard this, and correct me if I'm wrong because I don't agree to it. Gen Z apparently doesn't have role models. A lot of people have to say कि इनको अपनी करनी है. They don't have their role models. Name one such baddie in your life who you consider as your role model in free India. Who do you think is that?
I think my mother. So recently I was telling my mother that I want to go to this place or whatsoever, and she's like, you know what, you should actually do it. I've been working for the longest time, and today I feel that बस हम काम करते जा रहे हैं, but हम वो काम करके जो हम earn कर रहे हैं उसको utilize नहीं करते.
Savitribai Phule, definitely.
Why? Wow. Okay.
Because she has done a lot. She was a real baddie, I would say. She faced a lot of issues. She was resilient, very resilient, according to that time.
I think Rani Lakshmi Bai, because she was one of the first people who started the struggle for independence, which was considered a mutiny. So I think that in today's world, she would be the real baddie definition of it.
Gen Z की सरकार सुन रही है क्या? सरकार का फोकस जेन जी पे अब आ चुका है या फिर जेन जी के लिए और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है?
ज़रूरत तो काफ़ी चीज़ों की है, बट हाँ, अगर मोदी जी की रील्स देखें तो फॉरएवर अ रील पगलू, तो जेन जी के ऊपर फोकस आ गया है, बट क्या ही नीड टू वर्क मोर ऑन इट.
Being a Gen Z, do you feel heard कि आपकी बात सुनी जा रही है?
हाँ जी, फॉर श्योर. जैसे अभी मोदी जी ने भी रील वगैरह जो भी बनाया है, गया है बहुत ऊपर तक, मतलब बच्चों की आवाज़ गई है. जैसे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी का भी जो रेजिग्नेशन था, एंड अभी जो झारखंड प्रोटेस्ट को भी इतना आउटरीच मिल रहा है, तो वो सब चीज़ें जो हैं वो लोगों तक पहुंच रही है.
Name one thing that you think in free India is taken for granted.
Dissent. Why? I mean, I feel dissent is considered something to be bad, and being rebellious is considered as to be something that, okay, if one person is very rebellious, then they're equate to being an anti-national.
What do you think?
I think education, because who would have thought that, I think coming from, we are surrounded by people who are so privileged that we don't realize that education itself is a privilege, as she said. Not a lot of people get access to that privilege, and we shouldn't forget that we are here because of independent India. So I think that.
I think the whole idea of freedom is itself taken as granted, because we have the freedom to self-actualize, but I feel like we do not, use the resources to actually use it to fulfill our full potential.
I think probably our fundamental rights, we have them written, but in practice, we saw recently that not everything can be actually, followed as written on paper. Freedom of expression is questionable in today's time.
I think so. This is how Gen Z wishes Happy Independence Day to all of you. Yes. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Desh ki duty like Ravi Kishan.